Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by shifting attention away from linear notes and into images. Sketch a rough mind map of the topic for 5–10 minutes to unlock pattern recognition. Once done, add sensory cues. Dim the light slightly and play gentle ambient sound, and choose one consistent scent to anchor recall. Make sure to select a single 10–15 minute chunk to work on first. This short target trains broad associations and prevents analytic overload, so begin immediately with a quick visual sketch. You now convert facts into memorable visuals. Assign a clear image or symbol to each key idea because the right brain stores pictures faster than text. Next, map those images along a spatial route in your imagination, left to right or around a room, so recall becomes walking through a scene. Also mix in rhythm or a short phrase to bind sequences. This multisensory encoding solidifies order and meaning. As you practice, alternate fast, active recall with 1–2 minute silence to let patterns settle. You finish by testing retrieval. Mentally walk the image route twice within an hour, narrating each image to recreate concepts. Once confident, translate a subset of images back into concise bullet notes to bridge right and left brain recall, which helps with exams or essays. If you get stuck, simplify images or cut the chunk in half and repeat. Reducing complexity restores associative clarity. Make sure to repeat this cycle across sessions, so patterns become automatic and study feels more creative and effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.